Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem on iPhone or on any iOS devices. It shows SIM not valid or SIM not supported. This could be because you're using a phone carrier locked iPhone, and this could also happen because your SIM is locked for any carrier, okay? It could happen due to multiple reasons, but the main reason is the carrier lock, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your phone or SIM card to be able to use it without any problem, okay? And just remove this problem. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is to remove our SIM card from our phone. So for that, first of all, just proceed with removing the SIM card. Okay, so I'm going to just put it here on the table, and now we can start the next step. The next steps we need to do is just check our AMEI. For that, just go to the phone app, and here just dial *##, yeah, #06, and now 1# again. When you deal this, you will see the device info right here. You will see two AMEIs. You need to pick the first one because the second one is for the eSIM. So yeah, just write down this on a paper, and when you are ready, let's proceed with the next step. Okay, so when you have your AMEI, we need to go to the tool that we will use just to unlock our phone. So we are going to go to Safari right now, and now here on Safari, just type simlockhelper.com. Okay, so this is the tool that we are going to use. This is totally free tool. Yeah, so here we need to just put our email address, IMEI number, and just select our Android or iOS devices. Okay, this also works for Android. So you can put any email address that you want right here. It's not important. So I'm just gonna put my real one, but you can put any one, okay? Okay, so next we need to put our AMEI number that we have to write down on a paper. So I'm just gonna put it right now. Okay, and next just select your OS device. Okay, so for me it's an iOS. Okay, and now we need to start the process of unlocking our phone. Just press unlock. And here it is. Right now it's unlocking our phone. Basically it's connecting with Apple servers, and right now it will request to unlock our phone, so we will be able to use it with any SIM card. As you can see, it worked perfectly. And okay, when this is done, you can go back into settings. So I'm gonna go back settings right here, and here we need to put the SIM card back again into our phone. Okay, so just put your SIM card now. Yeah, here it is. Just put your PIN code. Okay, and now here just press on try again. And there you go. As you can see, it says SIM unlocked. It says that we detected that your iPhone carrier lock has been removed. And yeah, now you can use this SIM card for any carrier worldwide. So you can see that it's a certified Apple manager, SIM lock helper. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Now you have your phone unlocked and you can use it without any issue. So that's pretty much all. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.